Welcome back to Auto Cars. Today we are bringing you the first look at the 2022 Honda Civic, a car that carries a strong legacy while stepping into a new era of modern design and performance. The 2022 Honda Civic makes an immediate impression with its sleek and refined exterior design. Compared to its predecessor, the new Civic takes on a more sophisticated and mature appearance. The body has been stretched and sculpted to give it a longer, wider, and lower stance, enhancing both its sporty character and aerodynamic efficiency. The sharp lines running across the side profile create a sense of motion even when the car is standing still, giving it a bold and dynamic presence on the road. At the front, the Civic adopts a clean yet aggressive look. The headlights are slimmer and now feature advanced LED technology, providing not only a futuristic touch but also better visibility. The grille has been redesigned to be more minimalistic, sitting lower and wider for a stronger road presence. The lower bumper integrates air intakes and subtle contours that guide airflow smoothly, improving performance and fuel efficiency. This modern yet aggressive front design makes the Civic instantly recognizable. Moving to the sides, the 2022 Civic is defined by its long hood, sleek roofline, and smooth shoulder lines. The larger wheelbase adds to its planted stance, while the flared wheel arches highlight its sporty DNA. Honda offers a range of alloy wheel designs, each adding a unique character to the car. The clean, uncluttered design language reflects Honda's focus on timeless styling rather than following temporary trends. At the rear, the Civic takes on a completely refreshed identity. The C-shaped taillights from the previous model have been replaced with a more elegant horizontal design. The LED taillamps stretch across the back, emphasizing the car's width and stability. The rear bumper is sculpted with precision, while subtle elements like the integrated lip spoiler and exhaust finishers add a sporty touch without overdoing it. This rear design ties perfectly with the car's overall theme of elegance meeting sportiness. In terms of performance, the 2022 Honda Civic is built to deliver both efficiency and excitement. Under the hood, Honda continues to offer reliable and fuel-efficient powertrains, including a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine and a 1.5-liter turbocharged option. The turbocharged engine provides a strong balance of power and efficiency, giving drivers a thrilling experience on the open road. The longer wheelbase and refined suspension setup improve ride quality and stability, ensuring the Civic performs confidently in both city traffic and highway cruising. Looking back at its history, the Honda Civic has been an icon since its introduction in the early 1970s. Known for its reliability, practicality, and efficiency, it quickly became one of the best-selling cars worldwide. Over the decades, the Civic has transformed from a compact economy car into a stylish, performance-driven model while still maintaining its reputation for affordability and dependability. The 2022 model represents the 11th generation, carrying forward this strong legacy while adapting to modern demands. As for features, the exterior of the 2022 Civic is loaded with smart design details. From full LED lighting to aerodynamically optimized mirrors, every aspect is engineered for efficiency and style. The color options offered by Honda give buyers a wide variety to express their personality, with bold shades and premium finishes adding to its appeal. The 2022 Honda Civic is more than just a redesign, it is a statement of evolution, combining its historic reliability with a fresh, modern look and performance-focused engineering. With its sleek design, refined aerodynamics, and smart features, it continues to set the standard in its class. That wraps up our first look at the 2022 Honda Civic exterior. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, make sure to subscribe to Auto Cars for more in-depth reviews and automotive updates. Thank you for watching.